We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, I'm Nathan with Onyx Imaging, and today we're going to look at this HP OfficeJet 8210, and we're going to show you how to print off the printer status report. So from the main menu, we're going to go down one to cartridge information, push OK, and on this one we're going to go down all the way to the bottom to print report, push OK. So with this report, you will have all your printer's information, plus it will tell you how much ink you have for each of the colors. And if you need any supplies, let us know and we can get you some. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.